Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Blink yard sign with 2 window decals. So here's the yard sign you're going to put in your yard. It is approximately almost 9 inches by about 9 inches. So you do get this little stand. Now the way this works is, this is like a track that's going to slide in there. And then you're going to slide this down till you line it up with one of the screw holes. And then you can screw this big knurled screw through both of them, and that will attach the rod to that. Actually, those are smaller. There's one bigger one. So put this, slide it down and line it up with the bigger one. Then that will screw in, and now you've attached this. It's longer. Now it's approximately 14 inches long, and you've got these other 2 screws. They're going, this is kind of flimsy, but yet it's kind of nice. It's going to, you're going to put this, line this up here, and now you'll screw the screws through here. They're a little small. So put the screw right here. Line it up with this threaded insert. Then we want to tighten this down. And same, take this one. Okay, so now you have a sign that is about 9 inches of a rod, but it will stick up. Overall length is about 18. So if you put it in the ground, you know, it's going to stick up above the ground around 12 to 14 inches. Now the window decals, you're going to peel that sticker off. This is sticky on this side, so you got to stick it on the window on the inside so it shines out. Here's what the back looks like, and these are approximately 3 1/4 inches square. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's got a reflection on it or anything. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.